Hello everyone, let's discuss one math problem. The problem is a rectangular block measures x meter by x plus 1 meter by x plus 2 meter. Find its volume in terms of x. What is the volume of the block if x equals to 20? We have to find the volume first, and then we have to substitute x equal to 20 to get the actual required volume. So let's move towards solution, but before that, suppose this is that rectangular block whose one length was x meter, second length was x plus 1 meter, and third length was x plus 2 meter. Now consider height of the block is x meter, breadth of the block is x plus 1 meter, and length of the block is x plus 2 meter, and we have to find the volume. However, the formula volume is height into breadth into length. Substitute the given values in the form of equation. We will be navigated to this step. X multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. This is similar to what we have done previously in continued products. We have to multiply this x with this bracket first, and then upon solving or simplifying this bracket, we will multiply it with this bracket, or else this bracket can be multiplied with this also. It's up to your choice. First I have multiplied this. X multiplied by x will be x square, plus into plus plus, x into 1 x. Then I have this x square plus x. Now I can multiply this bracket with this, or I will multiply this one with this. First I have kept this x out of the bracket, and then x square plus x, this one is same, plus 2x square plus x. Now x multiplied by x square will be x cube, and then x multiplied by x will be x square. On the other hand, 2 multiplied by x square will be 2x square, plus into plus plus, 2 into x will be 2x. So we will get x cube plus x square plus 2x square plus 2x. Now since these both terms are same, and here we have plus sign and here we have plus sign, so both get added. 2x square plus x square will be 3x square. So the final volume equation will be x cube plus 3x square plus 2x. Now we have to find volume at x equal to 20. Substitute x equal to 20 in the equation. Volume of the block at x equal to 20 can be found as v of 20, means wherever you see x, put 20 there. So first we have x cube, then 20 cube plus 3x square, means 3 into 20 square plus 2 into 20. Now 20 cube will be 8000. Remember, the cube of 2 is 8, and since there is cube, write 0 3 times, so you will get 8000. And then 20 square will be 400 into 3 1200, and then similar case with this. So this will be our final answer, and add these all terms, you will get volume at x equal to 20 is 9240 meter cube.